What is up, everybody? Welcome to Matayo's Fishing Adventures. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna go ahead and slap a few little clips together of mostly today. There may be one or two other clips from another day, but we went out today and had some good luck fishing. Caught one nice bass, one little largemouth, and we're going to go ahead and put this video together. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. Yes, dude. Oh, I hope the camera picked that up. He just demolished that whale. And that was close to the surface too. Yes. Nice little February smallmouth. Yeah. Look at him, man. Yes. On the 6th Sense whale. Let's freaking go. Nice little smallie. I hope it picked it up. He crushed it like right here near the surface, man. That was super. First cast with it. I watched him just come up and crush that thing, man. Yeah. Thank you, Michelle. Get out of my face, yo. Nice little largemouth bass. Let's go, dude. On the little minnow that my buddy just gave me. Shout out to you. Yeah, first cast with it. I knew it was gonna do me some luck. Alright guys, got a nice little largemouth. Get a release on this guy. Oh god, oh god. Climb down that real quick. Oh lord. Oh lord. Lord be with me. Oh, don't let me fall. Oh lord. Oh yeah. Alright, we in there. Yeah, goodbye little buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Got a little rock bass. down here in the spot. Get out of there on the lightweight rig. Ow. Let me have my hook back. Yeah. Nice little rock bass. Let's go. Pretty little fish. Down here at the spot. You know, rock bass. Let's go. Nice little rock bass. Pretty coloration on him. Let's go ahead and get this guy back. I'm so sorry, little guy. Yeah. Yeah. Little smallmouth. Let's go. Yeah. Got a little smallie. Yeet. One more fish. There we go. Yeah, let's go. I knew it put in work. Let's go, baby. Yeah, thank you, Michelle. Look at that guy. Nice little smallie right before sunset. Let's freaking go, dude. Yes. Guys, we did it. Look at that smallmouth. We have come, we have conquered. Actually, let's get a weight on it. No, we're gonna pass. It's probably like 1.4, 1.6. Yeah. All right, guys, we caught this beautiful smallmouth here down on the red, down the spot I've been coming to for 3 years now. It never fails me. I know, I'll get you back in the water soon. Let's go, dude. Beautiful, beautiful smallmouth. Look at that guy. Pretty colors. Beautiful smallie. Yes, dude, yes. Alright guys, and that will call it. Got a nice little chunky smallmouth right before sunset. Beautiful bass. This one's for everybody who's never caught a smallmouth. This is just for you. Let's get this guy in the water. Get a release on her. Beautiful smallie. Let's go, dude. Yes. Well, guys, that is going to be it. We have come out and we have tested this guy out. Gifted to me by my buddy Michelle. Thank you so much. You the best. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video down here at the spot. Starting to get about mid-March. I think we're about March 10th, 11th down here in Kentucky. And we're having some flip-flop weather. We're going back to getting a little cold again, so that's going to change the fishing. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. And we are so close to 200 subscribers now, it's not even funny. Beautiful backdrop behind us. Welcome to Matayo's Fishing Adventures. You all have a wonderful day. Peace. Look, the rainbow starts right there. You can see it in front of the trees.